अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम बहुत इजी सा केरला स्टाइल चिकन करी बना रहे हैं। प्लीज़ डू ट्राई इट आउट। चलो शुरू करते हैं। थोड़े इंग्रेडिएंट्स पहले से ड्राई रोस्ट करके ग्राइंड करने हैं। तो इसके लिए हमें चाहिए 3 टेबलस्पून ऑफ कोरिएंडर सीड्स, धनिया, 2 ईच ऑफ cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, लौंग, दालचीनी और इलायची, 5 ड्राई रेड चिलीज, 1 टीस्पून ज़ीरा, 1 टीस्पून सौंफ, 1 टीस्पून खसखस और 1 टीस्पून काली मिर्च. Dry roast the ingredients on very low flame for around 5 minutes or till they change color. Remove to a plate, cool and set aside. Now in the same pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil or any sunflower oil of your choice. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 medium-sized onions sliced and 15 to 20 shallots, that is sambar onions, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, and saute till the raw smell goes. We have to grind the onions and the tomatoes as well, so let it cool and add to the mixie jar along with the dry roasted ingredients. You don't need to grind separately, you can grind all at once, adding a little bit of water. The masala is now ready. Let's start. I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. You can use chicken with bones as well. Add the chicken into a pressure pan. Add the ground masala. Mix well and then rinse out the mixie jar with a glass of water according to the consistency of the gravy that you need. Rinse well and add that to the gravy. Add a teaspoon of salt and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Add another 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any sunflower oil that you're using. Mix well, close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles. While cooking chicken, 2 whistles are more than enough. After 2 whistles, let's check whether the chicken is done. At this point, check for salt and spices and add if necessary. Garnish with a few curry leaves and leave it on very low flame for around 5 minutes. Kerala style easy chicken curry is now ready. Goes very well with boiled rice, ghee rice, parathas, naan and chawal ki roti as well. Do try it out. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.